Good morning, Facebook. This is Lavonia coming to you live from Herndon High School. Just a little different setup today. All my gift baskets and stocking stuffers are in one location. I actually just did these lovely star soaps last night. And there's the pumpkin and holiday explosions. And then we have our creams as normal and our shea butters. Another set of creams. Our lip balms. We offer the jar set, individual sticks. And then we have the lip balm holders. And here are some jar gift sets. They all type of holiday inspired candy, fruit. We also offer the sticks and gift packets, minty. We even have a boozy balm. Then we have the lip balm holders, keychains, and especially the cute keychains for the kids. Then we have our famous spa salt bars. If you don't know what they are, please Google them and order them. A new addition is foaming sugar scrubs. We have key lime, exotic coconut, lemon, pineapple upside down cake, and strawberry cake. And of course for the kids, we have the cute little kids washcloth and soap sets. Thank you for listening, and if you are out in this area in Herndon, Virginia, stop by.